Look just like some leaves on the ground. So let's talk about the unknown benefits of Soursop tea. It's known to help immune support, so it's going to help increase and improve your immune system. It's known to have a variety and multifaceted when it comes to health benefits. Number one, it supports natural detox and liver function. Soursop actually helps the liver be more effective at flushing out the toxins away from the body. And if you drink soursop tea, then you might feel this effect in the form of feeling less bloated and less sluggish after meals. Soursop tea is made from the leaves of the soursop tree. And soursop is also known as Graviola. It's a tropical tree known to be, very prevalent and well known in tropical areas. Number two is mood and stress support. Soursop tea has compounds that helps you to relax more easily and more naturally, and that's going to help create a more happier, relaxed mood. That can be helpful when it comes to mental health. Number three is it helps to increase and boost the immune system, and that is because it is very high in antioxidants and also in vitamin C. And as you know, vitamin C is highly needed in the body. For one, it helps with nutrient absorption. Number four, it helps support digestive health. So that means it helps reduce things like bloating, acid reflux, and it also helps to restore the healthy bacteria that belong in the gut. Number five is it helps to improve the quality of your sleep. You're going to be able to drift off to sleep much easier and maintain a quality of sleep longer periods throughout the night. Less likely to be waking up through the middle of the night and dealing with things like insomnia, which could lead to things like low energy and also affect the quality of your health. So here's an easy prep for a soursop tea that you can make at home. I have some here, and I still have mine in my bag, my plastic bag here. I'm going to open and put some in my jar, but what you're going to do is you're just going to take 4 to 6 leaves, and you're going to add that to 2 cups of water. And I'm just putting some in my jar while I'm saying this. And you can also add, something to it to increase the flavor, like maybe lemon or honey for the taste. And I'm gonna need a second jar. Okay, so I'm just putting it there. But you're gonna take your leaves and you're gonna boil them down. So you're gonna boil your water. You're gonna take your 4 to 6 leaves and you're gonna steep them for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you're gonna let it cool, and then you might need to strain it, or you may not need to strain it. And then you'll be able to sip on that for multiple days if you like. And you can also make a batch of it and make a large batch of it at one time. Just make sure that you're able to drink it within 2 days to cut down on things like bacteria growth. And also make sure that you store it in the fridge, of course. An idea, you might want to try swapping it with coffee to see how your body it affects your body in the later part of the day. You might want to test that out and see how that works. But if you do try that, let me know in the comments. Now, soursop is great, right? But we also want to make sure that we are avoiding any side effects if we can. So we want to make sure we use it safely. If you want to drink soursop tea on a regular basis, you want to add it into a regimen, right? Moderation is going to be 1 to 2 times a day. People who should be cautious with soursop tea is women who are pregnant, of course, and people who are on medications. And that includes blood pressure, blood sugar, and blood clotting medication. It can cause hypoglycemia or drop the blood sugar too low, and can also cause blood thinning and increase bleeding. And it can also drop the blood pressure too low, leading to hypotension. It is strong, so you want to treat it as such and, use it in moderation. So here are the unknown benefits again: detox, sleep, immunity, calm, and digestion. There you go. And let me know if you've ever tried soursop tea in the comments. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you over in the next video.